Welcome back to the channel. Joshua Elder here, and I've got a super special video for you. You see, I just released something over the course of the past 7 days that's completely changing people's lives. So what I want to do is I want to show you the results, my team's results. I'm going to show you how you can get started making up to $500 a day online part-time with the affiliate marketing business model. Now, most of you guys know what it is. If you don't, the affiliate marketing business model is simply selling or promoting other people's products and being able to earn a commission off of it. Now, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is you actually don't have to really do any of the selling whatsoever. If you get access to the right system, you don't have to worry about the tech stuff. You don't have to worry about creating web pages. All you need to do is get eyeballs to the front door of like a storefront, and then we take care of all the marketing, all the selling and telling for you. So using this system just in the past month, from the 24th of November to the 21st of December, you can see that I've done nearly $45,000. And let me just refresh the account right here so you guys can see that this is real and legitimate. So as you can see, nearly $45,000 here. Now, let me show you the results of my students. So again, just released this the past week. We've got Larry here with 11 cells, Aaron with 10, Karen with 7, Brian with 7, Jose with 4. We've got Toki at 2. We've got Scott at 1 and a bunch of other people at 1 just in the past week of leveraging the system. So let me show you exactly how much each of these cells are worth. So I'm going to show you the flow of the system, how it works, and how you can start generating results similar to what you're seeing right here. So let's go ahead and stick with me here to the end because it's going to make really clear sense. So I decided to create a system called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator System. And it's all about educating people on high ticket affiliate marketing so they can go out there and start earning high ticket commissions. In case you don't know already, and if you want to shortcut your success, there's actually no difference in effort when you plug into the right system of promoting a $100 product versus a $5,000 product. Especially if you're making 50% off of each product, that's $50 versus $2,500 without any extra work. And I'll tell you what makes the difference. It's the system that you're putting people through. So this proven system I'm showing you right here, this is the system that in the past 4 weeks has generated $45,000, and even year to date in the past year, over $400,000. So being obedient to the system is crucial because the system does in fact work. So let me walk you through it. So on the front end, you have the HTA system, which I'm going to give you all the sales pages. I'm going to give you access to all the assets. So you can go ahead and deploy this in your own life, okay, at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch to the end or it's not going to make sense. So typically in an online business, you want to first lead people to what's called an opt-in page. An opt-in page, what it does is it asks for a name and an email address in exchange for valuable information that you'd be giving away to the potential prospect. So in this case, we have an opt-in page. Somebody fills out the name and email address, and that email address is logged into what's called an autoresponder. Now, you don't need to know a whole lot about this jargon. I really want to just kind of give you a 10,000-foot overview, but it's important that you kind of understand how this business model works so you know exactly what's going to happen when you bring your prospects through this system as well. So when somebody fills out the name and email address on the opt-in page, they get access to the sales page. And what this sales page does is it gives value just like this video would give value. And it gets people to sign up for a $1 trial into the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator System. Now, in the meantime, let's say they go to the sales page, but they decide to click off. My email autoresponder series, in other words, remember when I mentioned right here that when somebody enters their name and email address, it goes into what's called an autoresponder. It's basically a database of emails that you can go in and mass email all these emails at once. Like think about having 30,000 different emails that you have access to and having to individually write each of them. Pretty difficult, right? So the purpose of an email autoresponder and even an email autoresponder series, it's not only log names and email addresses, but to follow up with people that didn't purchase the trial membership on the sales page. Okay, so most people when they're exposed to an offer for the first time, they're not just going to buy it on the first time. And so that's the purpose of an email autoresponder series, is to build a relationship with those prospects and eventually send them back to the sales page and get them to go to the checkout page and buy the $1 trial. So if you want to check out this whole entire process in its entirety, again, don't do it right now, but there's a link in the description where you can go through this whole entire proven process yourself. So once somebody checks out and they go for the $1 trial, there's what's called a one-time bump offer. And there's a little checkbox on the checkout page that somebody can check, and it's $47, and they get access to another one of my products. So in conjunction with getting access to the actual high ticket affiliate accelerator system, which again is going to educate them on high ticket affiliate marketing, it's going to give them access to weekly calls inside of our Facebook group. It's going to give them access to the Facebook group. It's going to give them access to the ability to earn 50% commissions on actually relicensing this HTA system. So not only are you going to be able to go through this process, but you're going to be able to relicense the HTA system, re-promote it, resell it using the exact assets I'm going to give you, and earn $48.50 commissions residually month to month after somebody is rebilled at the $97 per month mark. So all the people that you're seeing right here, Larry's got 11 trial cells, which is a potential when people are rebilled of right around $500 a month just by doing this part-time, simply following the system and the process I laid out for them. Aram, nearly $500 a month too as well. Karen, right around $300 to $400 a month. Brian, right around $300 to $400 a month that he added to his bottom line. Like, how would it change your life if you were able to earn an extra $300 to $500 a month, right? So stick with me here. So after somebody checks out, they get access to our private Facebook group where, again, I go live every single week. I give you value. I show you how to get the most out of the HTA system and really show you how to maximize your efforts with high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? And then they get access to the actual HTA system training, which looks a little something like this. So you'll get access to this website. There's a start here section right here. Goes over the foundation of what affiliate marketing is, how it works, what high ticket affiliate marketing is, and most importantly, mindset training, as you can see right here. And then they go to the system setup. This is where they set up their system so they can start earning those $48.50 commissions, those residual commissions. So that's where they set their system up right here. And here's the cool part. This is the start promoting section, which is going to show you, now that you've got your system set up, now you got your unique affiliate links. Now an affiliate link is just a long link you share on the internet that's custom coded to you. So when somebody clicks a link and they buy, you make that sell. That sell is coded back to you. So the way to make these sells that you're seeing people like Larry and Aram and Karen making is using and leveraging the fast traffic formula. Now, so when you get access to the system, what you want to do is you want to complete everything from left to right, right? Do not skip ahead. But in the start promoting section, you want to start with the traffic overview, and then you go to the Get Money Now fast traffic formula. This is where you're going to start earning these trial cells that will eventually turn into rebills for you. Again, it's crucial that you're obedient to the system, because if you don't follow all these directions, you're not going to get the result like you're seeing my students get. So once you start driving traffic into the system and you start driving website visitors using the Get Money Now section right here, what's going to happen is they're going to go through the same exact process that you had previously went through with an extra little cherry on top right here. So you saw obviously the income that I've been able to create right here. You're like, okay, is that just off of, $97 a month residual commissions? No, it's not. Like I said, it's being able to maximize, put small inputs into your business and create big outputs. In other words, having low ticket products that are residual products like the HTA system itself, and having high ticket products like the six-figure partner program. So a good chunk of the money that I've created this year is from the six-figure partner program inside the HTA system. So once people get into our ecosystem here, what we do is we not only give them value, but we give them an ability to really get an unfair advantage and really maximize their results with the overall system. Now, the six-figure partner program, the purpose of it is to provide them with a way to copy my YouTube business, copy my videos, essentially copy my traffic sources in its entirety. And here's the cool thing. When you relicense the whole entire system and you make sales of the six-figure partner program, which we're going to do for you, then you're going to earn 50% commission on a $2,997 sale, which is going to be nearly $1,500 in commissions. So you could take one customer and make upfront over $1,500 in commissions and then make an addition of $48.50 commissions on a monthly basis. So that's the power of having access to systems. It's like going to the McDonald's drive-thru. If they just offered hamburgers and you couldn't supersize it, you couldn't add fries and a drink, then McDonald's would actually lose money because they're paying for advertising. Having higher ticket items or higher priced items on the back end of your sales process makes such a massive difference in your return on investment. So if you want access to the same system, if this sounds cool to you and you're excited as I am, go ahead, click the link below in the description, get access right now to the system, and go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you got any questions, post them in the comments box below. If you're excited for this, post HTA System below in the comments, showing me that you're excited to get access to the system. Click the link below and I'll see you on the inside.